What's up, guys? Welcome back to Jacob's Vlogs. So right now I will be going to
a secret place.
Oh, secret place, yeah. I'm
with
here
his boy.
You're not my boy. No, I'm kidding.
No, you're my boy. Timo.
You're younger than me by like a year. Oh my God, guys.
Oh my. No, you can't show that. You're not allowed to show that. You're not allowed to show that. Blur it out. You're not allowed to show that.
There is a bird dead right there.
He'll blur it out, guys. Don't worry. He'll put like an emoji. You're not like you can get strike.
How?
Logan Paul did that. Pomnish. Remember how Logan Paul did that?
I don't watch Logan Paul.
No, I'm just saying it was on the news.
So guys, how you guys been? How was your summer? I want to take a bit of Josh real quick.
Why? Again? Why?
Yo, Josh, you want to say something?
Actually, we're actually doing a drum battle right now.
But you ain't gonna be in it.
It's only us two, genius. So we're gonna have 2 darbukas, 2 doires, and 1 dabal. Damn, this is serious. You're gonna zoom in on me, I know you are. Move.
So guys, that's Josh. If you guys do not know, if you guys don't watch my videos, that's Josh Ooh.
Hey guys, we wanna shout out this person.
Yeah, say it.
Joshua Mishai. No, there's this one person that we want to shout out. He has sold me a doire. He has tried to sell me a darbuka. His name is Yakov Bakayev. Please follow his Instagram. That's Yakov with 1 A. Bakayev, B-A-K-A-Y-E-V.
I hurt my leg.
Nicest person I know.
I hurt my leg.
You need $100 darbuka professional. He got you, bro.
Oh, I hurt my leg. Go text him and be like, code Jacob's Vlog. You get everything for free.
DM me, I got you.
Yo, I slammed my foot right now.
Hush.
Oh man, there's a car right there. Oh, I don't have my keys.
That's Iran.
That's Aaron's. I see you guys. So guys, right now we eating at Me Too. I'm waiting for Josh to come. He just left for a minute. He's gonna be back. We're gonna eat, and I'm gonna get back to you guys. Look how nice is this place. I ain't gonna lie. So guys, we're waiting for more food. Got Josh right here. Salad. Y'all know the vibes. So we munch up. See you guys in the next shop. Guys, we're now riding around. I just picked up my BMX.
Yo guys,
I'm on one hand, guys.
We're gonna continue tomorrow the vlog.
Yep.
Yo, Jacob.
Move. Guys, right now we came back from Me Too Sushi. We're here with Nathan. He's holding the camera right now.
And with me.
Josh, they already know you. So right now we'll be going back to Josh's house. See you guys in the next shop.
But yeah. You're gonna see the license on.
Guys, we're gonna continue the video from tomorrow. Not tomorrow.
Tomorrow morning is where it's gonna end.
No, not tomorrow. Not
Hold
tomorrow.
on.
Wait, time out. Not
Can't see you holding it
tomorrow.
wrong.
We're gonna. We're finishing the video from here. Josh wants to give a shout out to one of his friends, right, Josh?
I want to give it to my best friend. His name is Joshua Michelle. It's his Instagram, I believe, is Joshua Michelle, no spaces. He's a very good kid. I heard that he's going to A21 honors, so congratulate him, please, in the comments. I also want to give a shout out to my best friend. He sells doiras. I'm gonna do this again. He sells doiras. He sells doiras, right? He sells darbucas for.
He's 10 years old.
He's 10 years old. And his last name starts with a B. It is not Nathaniel Benyaminov. No. It is Yakov Bakayev. Go to him. Nah, I'm joking. I'm gonna give a shout out to Nathaniel Benyaminov.
guys.
Shout out to Nathaniel Benyaminov. He's also a good kid. And Yakov
To be
Bakayev.
honest,
Yakov Bakayev.
yo, he's 13. Josh is 13. His best friend is a 10-year-old kid.
it's not.
I'm dead.
You
I'm
just
sleeping.
call me your number one
Hiya,
fan.
guys. Peace in the
No.
streets.
No.
Peace.
Jacob's mom.